Hey guys, Steve here, and I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your 2019 Honda CRV remote. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a little knife and a CR2032 battery. Pull the little switch here, take your metal key out, take a flathead screwdriver and stick it between those two pieces of plastic. Take a knife and pry the battery out. I'm going to put the same one back in because I've already changed it. Put it in the top and pop the bottom in. Take the two halves, snap them back together. Reinsert your metal key. And then you're all done. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.